Hey everyone, it's Rod with the Pow Group. Welcome back on the Pursuit of Wealth, your home for MJ Stocks, crypto assets, news, and interviews. Today is Wednesday, December 18th. Hope you're well. FOMC day. We had a sell off in the broader market, crypto space, pretty much every sector got hit today. We had tons of liquidations in the stock market and, like I said, in crypto as well. But we'll take a look at the XRP price chart. There was a 4-hour bear flag that confirmed the target hit. I don't think there's anything to panic about. I think this is just a overreaction, and I do think there's going to be lots of dips for buying with another 1 to 2 quarters of bullishness in this bull market that we have in the broader market right now, and specifically crypto as well, big tech crypto. And I think that's going to last probably into the first or second quarter of 2025, and then I think it's going to get pretty bleak into spring of 2025 type of sell in May and go away mentality. Before we get to it, make sure to smash the like. It helps support me in the channel. If you're new, you can subscribe, tick the bell. You'll be notified on any future videos or when I go live. You can also follow us over on Elon's platform. Shout out to Elon. Handle for that is @GroupPow. Going to be using that as my platform of choice going forward. Also appeared on the Martin Lucas Investor Show today. It was a bit lengthy. I think it was like 40 minutes in or something like that into his 2.5-hour show from this morning. And that was during the FOMC rate decision. I mentioned on there that I expected 25, so 0.25%, 25 basis points. That's exactly what we got. And it was priced in, but the market used it as an excuse to sell off today. I think it was just we were overheated. We were due for some technical pullbacks. And I'm going to be interviewing him, Martin, on Monday, December 23rd. That'll be at 12 noon Eastern time. It'll be a live stream as well, so you'll be able to. You already got people chatting here. XRP and Tilray, absolutely. That's my number one crypto and my number one MJ holding. And I do own more XRP than. So I have more dollars invested into XRP than I do my entire MJ portfolio, right? And that's partially to do because I think crypto is going to be $100 trillion market cap, whereas cannabis will probably be lucky to get to 1 trillion. So it's not really apples to apples. But I think XRP is going to be probably the best asset to own ever, and I think it'll be the most valuable crypto. And then I think Tilray will be one of the number ones, if not top three, in terms of MJ companies. But Ripple, the company, I think will be the most valuable company in 5, 10 plus years. Who knows, however long it takes. But I do think that Ripple over the next decade or two will become the most valuable company. And I think XRP will become the most valuable digital asset. So you can see here, people are already chatting in. You can tune in on Monday. Looking forward to that. We'll be discussing crypto, MJ, specifically XRP and Tilray for sure. So I appreciate all of the love that I got on the live stream there today with Martin and his group. Fantastic channel. We'll jump into the market here. So on the price action, you can see that Bitcoin had been seeing legs lower as well, and we briefly dipped below 100K, but we're turning old resistance, right? This was major resistance, which is becoming now new support, which is good to see. Technical analysis 101. So we'll see if we can get back up to around the 115, 120 area, which I do think is very likely. I think Bitcoin, big tech will continue to remain strong. We had a daily bull flag on Tesla as well. I think Tesla could reach 500, maybe even 600 this cycle before the end of the bull market over the next couple of quarters. And then I think as Bitcoin and big tech tops, we're going to see that rotational play into small cap stocks and alt season as well. So looking forward to that. And obviously Bitcoin bringing the market down today, SPY selling off. So it was pretty much just an over exaggeration in my opinion. We did have a 4-hour EMA 12 and 26 bear cross on XRP. We had a 4-hour bear flag, which confirmed. So once we formed that lower high and lower low, once we lost 246, that confirmed the 4-hour bear flag. Then you just take your measured move there from the high to the low, move it out to your 0.32 fib. And it was saying the target was 233. And then if you look at this lower wick, we dipped actually down to 224. But I mean, if you kind of ignore that lower wick there, we fizzled out right around 231. So it was pretty much bang on. And here we are back up to that 233 area. So a lot of support in that region. And that is proving to be the case as we continue to range there. But overall, not worried about this in the slightest. It's still a weekly bull flag. As long as we hold the low there at 189, everything is just fine. And I know a lot of people are saying that, we could see, even Martin was saying that we could see a sell-off, 50%. I'm not really in that camp. I mean, anything's possible. It's crypto. And we just did go from, 30 cents. We were just at 30 cents back here. We had a low of 38 cents back in July. So, we're up. We up almost $3. That was up 600 and almost 700%. So, we're due for a technical pullback for sure, but not worried in the slightest as long as 189 holds. If it does, it's still a weekly bull flag. And if we take the measured move of that bull flag, go from the low to the high, And again, move it out to our 0.32 fib. That's saying we could potentially see a target of just under $12. So we need to break 290. Need to hold 189. Most important thing, in order to negate it, we would have to lose that. But if we hold that support and then break resistance up here at 290, that'll confirm it. And then, like I said, that this could see a monster move. And if we take a look at the blue bars here, again, just an update on the Bitcoin all-time price index. It's just the boom and bust cycles are very, very similar for Bitcoin comparative to XRP, and that has to do with Bitcoin was created first, right? So we're following that trend, and it's saying that we could peak out on XRP at some point between February and March of 2025. And I believe that, somewhere around that $14 to $16 area is very, very doable. But if you haven't seen my video, 4 reasons why I believe it's going to $14 to $16, you can just scroll down. It's a little bit lower, as I posted it quite a while ago. It was about 2 weeks ago now. So here it is, 4 major reasons why XRP is going to $14 to $16 this cycle. But as I said, no major red flags at all. We are definitely due for a cool down session. We could pull back, like I said, maybe sub $2 again, but we just had the 50 weekly and 200 weekly moving average bull cross. This time we have legal clarity in and of itself. XRP is not a security. We have ETFs imminent. We have the case settlement or dismissal, potentially no tax on US cryptos, IPO for Ripple in 2025, partnerships, things are looking good. Last time this happened, price went from about 11 cents all the way up to $2. So it's looking just fine in my opinion. But like I said, I think the dips that we're going to be seeing are going to be for buying, not financial advice. This is for entertainment purposes only, but I do think that we're going to see probably the bull market continue into the second quarter of 2025. Let me know your thoughts and opinions in the comments section. We'll continue the conversation there. It's Rod with Power Group. Thanks again for joining us on the Pursuit of Wealth. We'll catch you on the next one.